Today we're filling with fillings. Okay, now we've reached the part where you've baked your macaroon shells and they've cooled completely. And I mean, they have to cool completely, because if you put any fillings onto a warm macaroon shells, they will melt. Once they are cool, and if you're not ready to fill them right away, you can take the shells, put them in an airtight container, and put them into the refrigerator until you're ready to use them. You want to make sure they're in an airtight container because macaroon shells are sensitive to moisture and condensation. Macaroons should keep in an airtight container in the refrigerator for about a week. So basically, as you know, a French macaroon is an almond and meringue based cookie that sandwiches a filling in between. What is the exact ratio of filling to shell? I like to have a good amount of filling. I like to call it the Goldilocks filling. Not too much, not too little, just in the middle. Okay, so let's fill these little suckers. There are a ton of fillings that you can use to fill your macaroon shells. Jams, preserves. Today we're using a strawberry jam and an apricot preserves. We're filling our pink macaroon shells with a strawberry jam today. That's all it is, it's just jam. When you add your filling, you want to add it to the middle of your shell, leaving a little bit of a border around the filling so that when you put the top on, it doesn't go all over the place. For our light orange macaroon shells, we're hitting them with some apricot preserves. You can purchase store-bought jam or you can make your own jam. Lemon curd. I filled macaroons with a lemon curd and a meringue that I've made. Caramel or dulce de leche. We're gonna hit these macaroon shells with fresh made caramel and then top them with some sea salt. You can also use Nutella, which is a hazelnut spread. You can use Ganache, whether it's dark milk or white chocolate, and combine that with coffee or espresso, which enhances the chocolate flavor. With your ganaches, you can also hit them with a little bit of alcohol. Whiskey, bourbon, Irish cream, tequila, rum, the list goes on and on. You can either add the alcohol as is, or you can cook it down a little bit to remove the alcohol and leaving the flavor behind. Add that to your ganaches and keep mixing until combined. And there's just so many fun combinations you can make with macaroon fillings. You can make a s'mores with marshmallow fluff and a chocolate ganache. You can do a red velvet with cream cheese, a cookie butter, a cookie dough. The list is endless. Put a top on these macaroon shells and then that's it. So after your macaroon shells are filled, you can put them in an airtight container and you can leave them out before consumption. I would actually recommend putting them in an airtight container and then refrigerating them and only taking them out right before consumption while letting them come to room temperature first. I don't think macaroons should be kept for too long. I think they should be consumed right away. And then that's it. You can refrigerate them in an airtight container or consume immediately. Next week, I'm going to try to fix all of your problems with our troubleshooting episode.